Tell me if you find any of these in common. Do you feel stressed while trading the market? Your mind starts going wild. You cannot focus or take a logical decision. You started doubting your strategy, thinking that it might not work. You hesitate at a very critical moment of a trade when it's exactly required of you to take a decision. Are these things familiar with you in trading? Well, if you are in the market for a very long period of time, these things are very common for sure. Just one small change can fix this problem for you. And just like you, it can fix the problem for many others who are in the market. So help them. Like this video and subscribe this channel right away so this video can reach a lot of people. When you get a hard feeling in the market, it's very difficult to come out of it. And a bad mood has got to do a lot with it. There was an experiment conducted by Bernie McDonald's and Graham Davey. And in this experiment, they showed that seeking perfection is a function of just two factors: a bad mood and a belief that mistakes can have dire consequences. Look at this video. The test that was performed is something like this.
Few college students were given a task that consisted of identifying errors in an article. Participants were randomly assigned to one of 4 experimental groups. Some participants were told that if they make mistakes on the task, they would be punished, while for others, there is no punishment for making a mistake. Some people did the task in a good mood, as there was no punishment, while others did the task in a bad mood because of the punishment, which was induced externally. The participants thought that they would be punished for making a mistake, were in a bad mood, and tended to unnecessarily check and recheck their work again and again. So to say, they tried to achieve an unrealistic level of perfection. But why? Why did this group of participants obsessively strive for extreme perfection? According to McDonald and Davey, these participants allowed their mood to control their behavior. They felt it's good to look for mistakes until they are fully satisfied, just to avoid the punishment. When you're in a bad mood, this isn't a very good strategy. A bad mood doesn't dissipate very quickly, and so if you check and recheck your work until you are satisfied, you'll keep checking and rechecking longer than necessary. In a bad mood, you'll never feel satisfied, no matter how much checking and rechecking you do.
This experiment explains why people seek out for perfection when they are in a bad mood. If you are prone to experience self-doubt, which in fact most traders do when things don't go their way, your confidence will be shaken. And this especially happens when you are in a bad mood. And as you try to execute your trading plan, you would question yourself. You would question yourself whether this plan is viable for the market conditions right now. Is it viable right now or not? You'll never ever be satisfied. You'll have a disturbing feeling in your stomach. You'll feel something isn't all right. So when you face these in the market, it's vital that you come out of the market completely. Don't put in a trade. Doesn't matter what kind of opportunity you get, just simply come out. So you can do either of two things. When you're in bad mood, completely come out of the market, or if you want to be in the market, don't let your mood control you. These are the only 2 options available with you. Because when you're in bad mood, you will be prone to question your actions. And many a times, you may act irrationally or erratically. Your actions may be impulsive. So be aware of the psychological mechanism that influence your decision making. If you know about it, you can control it. So it really doesn't matter whatever strategy you choose, what technical charts, what you follow, how you do the technical analysis. If you cannot control your mood in the market, it will be very hard for you to survive. So this is a very important factor. So mood is a very important factor. And as much as these here, This playlist will guide you to be a profitable and a successful trader in the market. Don't wait, hit the playlist and look at the videos here right now. As of this video, adios.